Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed lassi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain yogurt, which forms the creamy base of our drink. Next, have half a cup of milk ready. You can use any type you prefer. Finally, measure out 2 tablespoons of sugar or your favorite sweetener to achieve the perfect balance of taste. These basic components are all you need to start crafting a delicious lassi. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to blend. Carefully pour the yogurt, milk, and sugar into your blender. For an extra chill and a delightful frothy texture, add about 4 to 5 ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, creamy consistency with a nice, foamy top. This step is crucial for achieving that classic lassi feel. The beauty of lassi is its versatility. To elevate the flavor, consider adding a pinch of cardamom powder or a few delicate saffron strands before blending. For a fruity twist, toss in some fresh mango chunks or a handful of berries. If you prefer a sweeter drink, simply add a bit more sugar or a natural sweetener like honey. Taste and adjust until it's just right for your palate. Your delicious lassi is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into tall glasses and serve immediately for the best taste and texture. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios or a fresh mint leaf. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade lassi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.